Hello friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are making a berry soap. So this fragrance oil is a combination of blackberry jam and bumbleberry. So we'll start the same way we always do. Mix together our oils, butters, and additives, add in our lye, and make some soap. I'm going to split this up into 4 different buckets. In the first cup of color, we have some grape ape, berry burst. We have some cashmere and blue shocker. So I'm going to start just by mixing the color in by hand. I think I might add titanium dioxide to each of these bowls, but I just want to kind of get a general idea of what it'll look like. So I think to my 2 non-neon colors, I'm going to add in a little bit of pre-dispersed titanium dioxide. And now we'll get everything stick blended and add in our fragrance. Gonna add some titanium dioxide to everything. There. So these colors are looking great. So we will now get our fragrance oil added. This fragrance oil I have mixed with some kaolin clay. I did that first thing this morning. And it is 2/3 bumbleberry, 2/3 blackberry jam and 1/3 bumbleberry. So we have our 2 brambleberry molds here. And our colorant's getting thick, so we're just gonna kind of plop it in there, and then I am gonna come in with a hanger swirl and pretty it up a little bit. So even though this is got super thick on me, it will still have a really pretty swirl in here. I'll just have to bang it really good on the counter. Okay, I'm gonna mix up some soap frosting and bring you back when it's time to frosting the top after I give this a really good bang on the counter. So here's a close-up of our berry soap that we just finished making. I am loving just that single berry on top, that grape ape mica drizzle that we have, a little bit of that glitter in there. I am excited to see what the inside looks like. So let's check out that cut right now. Welcome back. So let's cut into this berry soap. So it is a little noisy in the background. I do apologize. The fans are running upstairs in our house. It's summer in Iowa, it's hot, and we need that airflow upstairs. So here's the first bar. So we have a little air pocket. Doesn't that look pretty? But I think it looks wonderful. Let us keep going. So it is summer in Iowa, it's hot, it's been hot, and the airflow upstairs is just awful. So unfortunately, we have to listen to the fan. But back to the soap. If you are interested, this is part of our August release and will be available on Sunday, August the 1st. And I thank you all so much for watching. And we will see everyone next time. Bye, guys.